welcome to the channel Learn with Roshni. Today I am going to share about the currency of India. So let us watch. So these are the currency of India. Do you know what they used before the currency discovery? Yes, it's correct. It is a barter system. The barter system means the exchanging of goods by each other. If I have some grains and they have milk, if I give grains to them and they give milk to me. So this is the exchanging of goods. It is known as barter system. The system used thousands of years. After that, the kings discovered some types of coins. They used copper coins or metallic coins. Now I am going to show the coins which I am using in present days notes and coins. So let us watch briefly about the notes. Now I have collected all these types. The collection of coins and notes are known as numismatics. It is numismatics. Now I am going to show briefly about it. This is a 1 rupee note. You all know it. This is a 1 rupee note. The Secretary Minister of Finance will only sign on this 1 rupee note. All the other notes will be signed by the RBI Governor. Here the Secretary Finance Minister will sign on it. And this is 5 rupee note. It is having the farmer. And this is the new 10 rupees note. I have some differences between new note and old note. You can see here. The Gandhiji is in left side and here in this is right side. Yes, you can observe here. And back side, here is a Swachh Bharat symbol. There is no Swachh Bharat symbol in olden notes. So these are two types of 10 rupees notes. 20 rupees notes. This is a new 20 rupee note and this is the old 20 rupee note. Same. Here also the same different. 20 rupees note having the beach scenery and it is having the Ellora caves on 20 rupees note. 50 rupees notes, old 50 notes, new 50 note. 50 note having the Hampi and it is having the Lok Sabha. New and old 100 rupee notes. Here is a Rani Ki Vav and here are the Himalayan mountains. And this is a 200 rupees note, new 200 rupees note. Here is a Swachh Bharat symbol and the Sanchi Stupa. And this is a 500 rupees note. It is in grey in color, having Swachh Bharat symbol and Red Fort. And this is a 2000 note. This is the last biggest note in this all notes, having Swachh Bharat symbol, Mangalyaan satellite. So I hope you understood these types of notes. Now I am going to show the coins. See here the coins. This is the 20 paise and this is the 25 paise. Here are the 1 rupee notes. See how different each 1 rupee coins are. And these are the 2 rupees coins. There are many types of designs in these 2 rupees coins. They change it every year in olden days. And this is a 5 rupees coin. See how big it is. 5 rupees coins. And do you know who discovered this rupee symbol? Yes, it's correct. It is Uday Kumar Dharmalingam from Tamil Nadu. He discovered this symbol, rupee symbol. The government kept a contest to give the symbol for the currency. So the government selected his Uday Kumar symbol. The government showed this symbol on 15 July 2010. I hope you understand about this all currency of India. Thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe my channel.